What is this? FabFitFun, what is this? Hello everyone, my name is Sandra and thank you so much for tuning in. All right y'all, so your girl is a FabFitFun girl. I am super excited to get my first FabFitFun box. This thing is huge. Ever since I heard of it, I just wanted to have one. And I was on the fence of whether or not I was gonna join because it is a little bit more expensive. But then again, it's only quarterly. So it's like, it's not that bad. That's how I justified it in my mind, you know, girl math. I got my first FabFitFun box. As you can see, it is the winter box because I joined right at the end of last season. I am actually lucky I get to open 2 FabFitFun boxes within a short amount of time. I'm super excited to make my choices. I don't have the annual subscription. I'm not about to give my money up front like that. Not just quite yet. I need to know if I like you first. So I am paying monthly. I don't get to make my choices until like February 8th, which I will be making my choices first thing on February 8th once they open it up so I can, you know, get good choices for my winter box. I got like whatever was left over, whatever they did not get rid of. So, I mean, I think I got some good stuff in there. I do have 2 mystery items, so I don't know what 2 of the items are. I did, however, make a mistake. I will tell you, this is my first time doing it. I was making my choices. I chose one thing and then I went back and I was like, you know what? No, I want the other thing. I didn't realize you had to unclick the other thing or else it was going to become an add-on. And so I went to go check out and the website only showed like a one little bar. I did not see the rest of the things where it showed me that I added on anything. So I had no idea that I did an add-on and I clicked the button because I was like, what the heck? I don't know why I didn't just go back to the previous page. I don't know. But I clicked the little strip that I saw in there that had no writing on it. Had no idea what it was saying because the screen was blank. And I ended up adding on a product into my box that I did not anticipate on adding on. I was going to swap it, but I didn't swap it. So, I mean, you live and you learn. Won't be happening to me again. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into this winter box, even though it's the springtime. Now, the real question is, how do you open it? Oh, okay, that's cute. So it just opens up like this. Wait, that makes it super easy for people to steal. I just realized that. There's like no protection. Someone could have went in here and just opened up and got all my stuff. I think this box is so cute. It has like all this little writing and stuff on it. Let me show it to y'all. Like, look at that. That is so cute. And then it says cozy time. This is cozy time. That is so adorable. I love that box. Yeah, presentation is on point. I saw a lot of bad reviews for it, but I mean, if you use it as just like a throw, then it's fine. But I got this little woven throw blanket in the color rust. I think this is so pretty. I will be honest with you. This was the item that I was gonna return to get something else. I did not mean to get this. It is what it is. I'm not mad because I will be decorating soon. It's gonna be nice to start building up like a little collection of things to decorate. It's just a little throw blanket. It's very scratchy. It's cute. It's nice. Okay. It's not the warmest, but it is cute and it will look nice thrown over something. If you're really cold, you're gonna take whatever you can get. It's actually kind of cute and I love the little fringe. The fringe is really nice and the pattern is very beautiful. It could have been worse. I could have got something that I know for a fact I'm not gonna use and then still have gotten an add-on. So I'm happy to get this blanket. We just throw it. Moving on, let's see, what is this? I don't know what this is. I guess this must have been one of my free mystery, not free, none of this is free. Heavily discounted, but not free. This must have been one of my mystery picks because I don't remember picking this. What is this? What is this? Is this just like a bag? Wash? Where? What is this? Can y'all tell me what the hell this is? I mean, clearly it's a bag, right? Clearly it's a bag. What would I need a bag that says wash and wear? And it's not like it's big enough to be like a laundry bag, like a full-blown laundry bag. FabFitFun, what the fuck is this? I'm so confused. Maybe it has some really good use and I'm not in tune. Maybe I'm just a plebeian, a plebiscite, and I don't know what that is for. But hopefully the book will tell me what I'm supposed to use that for because I don't get it. I don't understand. All right, next. If I were to do an add-on, I should have added on more of these cups. So this is by Citrine Atlas Collection. Fancy glasses. Just the fanciest of glasses. Ooh, they're really nice. Okay, I am into it. Oh, I almost broke my glass. That is super cute. And it's just like a set of 2 little glasses. Now I did read some reviews. Some people said that their glasses came broken. Mine are nice and intact. So yeah, me and Justin will be drinking out of these glasses. I think the water design is really pretty. Because it's only 2 glasses, I am gonna eventually buy like a nice glass set. And once I do that, I'll probably just put candles in these. I don't wanna have 2 odd men out glasses. But in the meantime, between time, we are gonna enjoy drinking our beverages out of these cute little glasses. I love the little water design. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like little water droplets. I think that's so freaking cute. Very excited to use those. Still confused about what this is. Ooh, this is much bigger than I thought it was gonna be. The next one is Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I love a good face mask, and this is huge. I was expecting it to be little. It's loaded with antioxidants, nutrients, rich yet lightweight formula, hydrates and softens, resulting in healthy looking, silky, smooth strands. Oh, this is for your hair. I thought this was for your face. Bruh, I guess this is for your hair. Massage through wet hair, let penetrate for 5 to 7 minutes. Use as a weekly treatment or daily on porous or dry hair. Avoid contact with eyes. I genuinely thought this was a face mask when I picked it. I mean, maybe the universe knows something that I don't know. So I'm happy to get this little mask. Comes nice and sealed. Ooh. It smells really good. Yeah, I mean, I'm happy with this. Even though I thought it was a face mask for your face, I'm happy to get a hair mask for your hair. The next thing in here is the Deep Sleep Overnight Cleanser, a brightening cleanser with oat amino acids to buff and smooth whilst you sleep. It's called This Works. That is such a interesting name for a company. This Works. What if it doesn't? Do I get my money back if it don't work? So it's a nice little night mask. Hopefully it's not like super thick where if I roll over, it's gonna get all over my pillow or all over Justin. I did pick this, so super excited for that. I attempted to swap out that little throw blanket for this purse because I was like, this is so cute. However, looking at it now, it doesn't look exactly like how the picture made it look. Or maybe it does and I was just expecting something else. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger. This is just gonna hold a few little things. But I guess if you're wearing something this fancy, you probably don't need to be carrying around that much stuff. This is cute. All my rhinestones seem to be in check. I want to say this was like a $90 bag. I don't know where you get $90 for this when you can get this at like, you know, the Payless. Remember Payless? They had like purses and stuff. You can get a purse like this at Payless for like $7. But it's cute. I mean, to get a $90 purse for 16 something, I mean, that's a pretty good steal. It hits me about at my hip. So it's perfect length. Length. What are words? It's a perfect length. Okay, and it's cute. I could wear it for date nights. I just got to get an outfit that actually goes with this. I don't own anything fancy enough to wear this purse quite yet. I will eventually, but it's just not right now. And then the last thing in here is a mystery item because I didn't get to choose everything. This last little mystery item looks like some earmuffs. Some earmuffs? I mean, they're soft. I don't really wear earmuffs, but they're nice. They adjust, which is kind of cool. You got a big head, you got a little head, it's gonna fit you. Would I have liked to have gotten something else? Yes, obviously. I guess when I go and visit my people up in Illinois, I can wear this. I live in Georgia. It don't get that cold. Not a fan. Not too happy with these. But beggars can't be choosers. I need to sign up for that yearly so that I can choose everything in my box. Those mystery items, not a fan. Not a fan at all. Okay, actually, I don't like them. But yeah, that is everything that came in my FabFitFun winter box. I'm super excited to pick my items for the spring. I'll sign up for the full annual subscription so I can pick everything because I don't, what the fuck is this? What is this? FabFitFun, what is this? If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe to become a Fabae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces. Oh wait, that's not deuces. Deuces.